Welcome to this introductory series on awareness through the body, an integral yoga practice that enhances self-knowledge, self-development, and deep relaxation. In the first module, we'll guide you through the essential theme of attention.
Do it with me. Shake your hand.
Can you recall any yellow objects in the room? And notice the difference. In the second, we'll talk about the complexity of our being. See if you can only move the left shoulder.
And even feel the muscles or bones inside your hands.
And in the third, we'll explore the breath.
Hold your nose, close your mouth, feel the muscle tension increasing on your right neck.
The hands are guided by the breath.
For more information, follow the links in the description below this video. Thanks for stopping by auroville.com, and please remember to subscribe on your way out.